GWU? Welcome back to my wait, that's the wrong intro. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are touring another dorm. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anne. Usually, if you've seen my other dorm tour videos, usually you know that I just shut up, get on with the video because you guys don't care about all of this talking. You just want to see the dorm tours. But today we're touring a very special dorm. We're touring Madison, and Madison was my freshman home. So this dorm is very near and dear to my heart. So I wanted to do a little bit of a, yes, we're touring the dorm, we're touring the hall, but also I want to kind of like get to see my home and be a little nostalgic because like I lived here for almost a year before I got kicked off because of COVID. But I'm very excited about this video today. I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, become a part of this family, and let's get on with the video. So excited. Huge closet. As you can see, you also have storage space on top. This is where you would hang your clothes, but then right on top of it, there's this board where you can store towels and baskets and stuff. And you also have a few hooks that you can use to hang your coats and stuff. And you have them on both sides. And you have 3 of them right here. In terms of appliances, you guys have this mini microwave as well as this mini fridge. And then over here is the entry space. As you can see, this is the door that I come into when I come in. And then as soon as I come in, this is the amount of space that is in front of me. Now, all of this space would pretty much be empty until you enter the main room, which is over there. So if you guys have like trunks or other storage things that you want to bring that would serve as storage that you can just put right out here, then I would definitely do that because there's a lot of space to fill up. So keep that in mind. All right, friends, that was it for the tour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Literally, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now.